Is my roof suitable for solar? The first thing that we're going to look at when qualifying a property is going to be the shade report and the irradiance of the roof. We're going to look at things like obstructions around the property, like trees, chimneys, and roof vents. If there are trees that are casting shade on the roof, then we want to trim those trees back or remove them completely to allow sun exposure on the roof. Roof vents can be minimized or they can be reduced to where we can actually install over them, and we can look at that as a solution. Then the next thing we're going to look at is roof types. The two roof types that we can't install on is going to be clay tile and wood shake. Those are just not compatible with our mounting systems, so we'll need to do an inlay or just do a complete re-roof with those type of roof types. Roof types that are qualifying is composite shingle, W-tile, S-tile, flat tile, metal roof, and flat roof. Those are going to be all the different roof types that we can install solar on. After we've looked at the roof type and the irradiance and shade report, we'll then look at the structural integrity of the roof. We'll look at the truss, the rafters, and see the spacing between the truss and rafters to see if this is going to structurally hold the solar system when we install this. So we look at the irradiance, we look at the structural integrity of the property to make sure it's suitable for solar.